We're gonna go a little backwards here and start with my lips because they're dry. From the Dollar Tree, we have this tinted lip oil. This was $1.25. It's a dupe to this lip oil, Jizzo You. What? This is $20 from Sephora. The fancy brand is a glass bottle and the Dollar Tree brand is a lot smaller and it's a plastic bottle. Does anyone even care about that? No. Usually how I do my lips is with this. Do you see that? It's almost gone. Not a Kardashian fan, but this is KKW Beauty. I just put my pinky in here and do one of these. And it's a nude lipstick. And look, I don't know if I've showed you, but this is my new mirror. Also, we're in the salon today, not the bathroom. So we're looking real fancy. But if you hear the noise, it's a busy day here. Everyone seems to be busy but me. I'm doing this. I just do that. It's very 1990s. I want my lips to disappear. Why? I have no idea. You know, I guess that does look a little crazy. It feels like baby oil, very thin and oily, but it is a lip oil. Then we have this one, which is infused with honey. Oh, wow. Is this what rich people do? You want $20 for this? But this is nice. It's hard to compare the two. I wouldn't call it a dupe at all. This one is straight up baby oil, and this one is more of a sticky oil. Obviously it's infused with honey. Sorry, I'm having a hard time because someone's having a conversation out there and my brain wants to listen to that, but I'm supposed to be talking to you, so I don't really know which one we're gonna do. Are we gonna try to do both? She's talking about her sister-in-law's baby daddy. We'll see how long this Dollar Tree one lasts, but I believe it's gonna slippery slope on out. Now, would I pay $20 for this? No. But the real one does look better. Now we've got these beauty blenders. The one from Dollar Tree was $1.25 and this one from e.l.f. was $10. I was not going to buy a real beauty blender because they're $20. They're all the same thing. It's a sponge and this one is even infused with green tea oil. Take a look. I think I told you this during the makeup clean out when I was cleaning out my bathroom. I ban beauty blenders because I feel like they eat half of the product. It's a gimmick. It's got to be a gimmick. It soaks up all the product, so you end up wasting a lot of product. And then the bacteria that grows in here, because you're constantly wetting it. Is it drying? Not if you're me. It's not drying because it's in a dang Ziploc bag. I just use my phalanges here. They've been working fine. The e.l.f. one does get a little bit larger, and honestly, it actually does feel a lot better. Just feels more luxurious. And it's got the flat side, I guess, to tappy your face. The Dollar Tree one does not have a flat side. The Dollar Tree didn't really have any foundations, so we're just gonna use one I have. Eavesdrop. This is a blurring skin tint. We'll try the Dollar Tree first. Don't really love this, but is it foundation? I don't really know, but I'm just gonna use it till it's gone, and then I'll try something new. I have oily skin and larger pores, so it's hard to wear foundation. It's better to just not. Let that skin breathe. I'm probably doing this right. There you go, girl. Look at that self-confidence. I'm probably doing this wrong. I don't know if you're supposed to wipe or tap. I just tap it in. That looks great. Now let's try this e.l.f. one. Oh, the flat side, that is pretty nice. Let's see if it covers up that. Oh, it makes it look worse. I've got a little bit of acne there. That happens. The e.l.f. one actually is nice. I've never had a nice beauty blender, so this is a treat. I like that flat side, pointy side to get by the eyes, but I also have noticed lately, if I put stuff around my eyes, it just starts creasing up on these, what are those? Well, those are eye wrinkles. They're not bad though. I like them, especially on other people because it means you smile a lot. So yeah, the e.l.f. one, as far as the application, does it look the same? But this one does feel better, the nice one. I don't think I paid $10 for the sponge. Would I pay $10 for the sponge? Well, if I would have won the $1 billion lottery that I didn't win, maybe I'd give it a go. Heck, I'd probably get the real one, the real beauty blender. For our contour sticks, we have Maria Claire, again, $1.25, and this one is NYX contour stick and highlighting stick. This was $12. I remember doing a video with this thing. We did something else, Halloween makeup or who knows what. We've done so many things. I remember it being $5. So talk about a price increase. The Dollar Tree seems to be pretty generous with their makeup. They didn't overprice anything, you know, because now they have items up to $20, $30, $50. But the makeup all seem to be $1.25, or at least at the one I go to. The real one is a little bit darker. All right, I'm not really good at this. I do contour my face, but I actually use self-tanner. The Dollar Tree one, that's too light, right? For me. And then just put some here. Kind of greasy too. The Dollar Tree one, this real one is a lot thicker and darker. And then just put the war paint on. Then we blend it so we can look like a totally different person for the wow effect when we take our makeup off in front of our Tinder date. Wow. You look nothing like your photo. I think the Dollar Tree one is just too greasy and too light, so I wouldn't really call it a dupe. You might as well just not, right? It's not blended all the way, but you can tell there's contour there, which I haven't quite figured out if the purpose of contour is to completely blend, because lately I've noticed that most girls, some girls, a few girls, you can see their contour with the dark nose and it's got red on it or something. I'm not really into trends, obviously, so I don't know. I just don't know if we're supposed to hide it like I thought we were. I would definitely go with the real one, the $12, plus you get this stick that we could light. Oh, it's shimmery. Do you see that? So you would do that right here. The camera's getting too hot. All right, welcome back. What are these? Kabuki brushes. Sassy and Chic, $1.25 from the Dollar Tree, and the e.l.f. one was $8. So we'll use the only powder I have, Bare Minerals face powder. These little bristles are just coming right out. What is that? This one is obviously better. e.l.f. Oh, it says it's a putty primer applicator. Oops. Maybe that's for that primer, you know, their gel-like primer. This is not good. The bristles are flying out. It's not compacted enough to give a blurring effect, if that makes sense. This one's nice, if that's what it's for. I like the little duckbill handle. Oh, that's probably to put the primer on and then buff it through. Well, that makes sense. I used to have some, but I don't. The only thing I have now is Professional. So I guess you would do like, oh, that. And it's okay, sometimes I put this over my makeup if I'm really trying to hide that I have skin. And you just do this. That made it look worse, right? What do you think? I turned down the lights so that way my skin would look as close to as it looks in person. Because sometimes if the lights are on super bright, they bounce off each other and it blurs my skin a bit to make it look really nice. But in person, it doesn't really look, well, it doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look like that. So I turned them down so you could see how it really looks. Okay, so I do like this brush. I think I'm gonna wash this and give this a go. But again, would pass on the Dollar Tree brush. Now the other brushes are body brushes, I believe. $1.25 from the Dollar Tree, and this one is $9 from Amazon. It's the same thing. This is the Dollar Tree one. This is the one from Amazon. They're the exact same size. They feel the exact same. Everything's the same. I have one of these and I use self-tanner with it. So you just brush it on like so. You're not gonna be able to see it very much, but it's a little tint. Brush that on. I wish I could stop using this. I've been doing really well at using less makeup, hair products, but for some reason, I wanna be orange. Why can't I just embrace my natural skin color? Pale, pasty is beyond me. Because this cannot be good for your skin, all these chemicals, doing this every single Sunday. But if you're gonna do it, these are the same. So you could just pick this one up at Dollar Tree. For the eyebrows, we have LA Colors Brow Pencil, $1.25, and this one is Anastasia, am I saying that right? Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and it was $20, I believe. We'll do the real one first. I have used this one before and I actually really like it. It's a twist up crayon. That is an orange color, soft brown. It does have a warm tint. Obviously doesn't glide. Can you even see that? It doesn't glide on as well as that one over here. But for $1, it's actually not bad. $1.25, excuse me. Gone are the days where it's $1. I think I actually like that color better, right? This is nice. Oh no. If my eyebrows weren't tattooed on, I would not be able to do that. I don't know, are they even? I like that. I think I like the color because it matches my actual hair color. It's more warm, orangey tones. So this one, LA Color, light brown, soft brown, excuse me. I would do the Dollar Tree one. This is mine, Maybelline City Bronzer. I'm looking a little pasty. A little update on the lip oils. The Dollar Tree one has completely disappeared, dissolved. The Jizo is still present. It didn't soften my lips or anything like that. I like it better than the Dollar Tree one, but it's just, I don't $20 like it, you know what I mean? We're gonna try another lip item. Why did you leave your eyes like that? Blink if you need help. Marie Claire Lip Plumper, $1.25 from the Dollar Tree, and this is the lip injection by Benefit, right? Too Faced, which that's Benefit, right? No, they're different. I don't know. Has menthol in it and Red 6 Lake. Got a little hint of Newports. Oh wow, it has the tingly sensation. Here's the real one. Can you see that? I actually like the way the Dollar Tree one looks better. It's completely clear. This one has a shimmery, I don't really care for shimmery anything, shimmery eyeshadows, shimmery lip glosses. The real one, Too Faced, feels a lot, use your words, feels like it's working more. It feels like bee venom where it's just, Now we're gonna do some eyeliner. I have not put on eyeliner in at least a year, I think. e.l.f., this one's $4, and this one, Liquid Eyes, is $1.25 from the Dollar Tree. Oh wow, look at that. So the brushes are the same. Look at me. Oh, well, it's gonna be a little thicker than I wanted. I just kind of stopped wearing eyeliner, one, because I'm lazy, and two, I'm really enjoying just simplicity, just being able to see my eyeballs. And I also have this problem, like I'm having it now, where I don't know how to just do a little, all in or all out. We're either doing a big winged line or none at all. Ugh, I hate that. Not the eyeliner, I hate the application. That's as good as it gets for that. Now this is the Dollar Tree one. Oh wow. The Dollar Tree brush is actually a little better because it's a little bit longer. So as long as you had a steady hand, you could get a thinner line. The applicator is better in the Dollar Tree one, but the product is better in the e.l.f. one, so you could just switch them. For the mascaras, we have LA Colors, and this is Wet n Wild. It was $6, Very Black. Very Black, that's the color. It's called Mega Length, and this one is called Bold Lash. I'm not really sure if this is a dupe for this, really. It's just the packaging looked kind of similar, kind of not. We have the eyelash curler, which this is from the Dollar Tree. I love those when they have the rubber applicator. This is the name brand one. Oh, wow. That is not bad. Still not as good as the one I like to use. The logo's off, but it's Telescopic by, I'm not sure who makes that. It's a drugstore brand. This is the Dollar Tree applicator. Has a felt-like appearance, kind of like, what was that gimmick pyramid scheme people would do where they sold mascara? The mascara actually did work. Oh, come on. It was some sort of mascara and it was in like a black leather case. Ladies would sell it door to door or at parties. Like we had this one friend that sold Tupperware, sold Pure Romance, and sold whatever this mascara was. But you put the mascara on, or step one, and then put step two on, and it would lengthen the lashes, but it was fiber. It was really cool and it actually did work. This actually isn't terrible for $1.25. There doesn't seem like there's much in here. It seems like the tube is already empty. But it's one of those mascaras that you're gonna have to really spend some time with. You gotta keep brushing it on, which I hate that. I just wanna do one little whoop and we're done. I don't wanna do 1,000 coats, separating, brushing, but I think it looks better than the name brand one, right? We found some goodies. Look at us go in this economy. So my favorite thing is the eyebrow pencil. It doesn't look great right now, but I think once I spend some time with it, it'll get better, but I like the color. So the eyebrow pencil, the brush, that was a win. And where'd it go? This lip plumper, take a picture of that. Those are some wins. Honestly, I think I like myself without makeup better, which is good news because that's way easier and it only took me a lifetime to love myself the way I was born. Why couldn't I learn that 15, 20 years ago?